Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show or paint nails with me. And today I'm especially excited because I have an announcement to make. I'm so happy about it and it's a huge challenge for me, but we will make it together. So, here is what will happen in December. I will be doing Vlogmas, but what kind of Vlogmas I will be doing? I will be doing nail Vlogmas, which means that every day in December till 25th of December, I will be doing nail art designs that are going to be Christmas, holiday, winter themed, and also I will be doing nail shows that are going to be in the season as well. So you will be having 25 videos of nail designs to probably choose, and I'm so happy that I can do this. I already have it in my little notebook. I came up with so many nail designs. I already drew them down and I'm picking the colors and everything. I already pre-filmed some nail designs and I cannot wait till December 1st so they can go live every day. You will have different design. What? Yeah, I'm doing that. I was just thinking, what should I do for the Christmas time, for holidays, because I love holidays. It's my favorite time of the year. And I was just thinking, and I was like, you know what? I will be uploading every day nail art designs and nail shows. Obviously, you will have more nail art designs, but I did want to include some nail shows, which is just plain colors that are going to be in the season, because I know that you guys like those videos as well, and I do love it too. So why not? Let me know what you guys think in the comments of this idea. Are you excited about it as much as I am? Because I have never seen anyone do this on YouTube. Maybe they have, I have no idea, but I'm so excited that I will be doing this and we can do it together. I want to see your feedback. I want to hear, do you like this idea? I cannot wait to share with you the designs because I was brainstorming so much. I had to pick perfect colors. It had to be something that I would wear 100% whenever I do nail tutorials. It's something that I would 100% wear. I didn't want to make something just so I can have a nail design. I literally sat down and I brainstormed and I thought about ideas and what I would want to wear when it's a holiday season, when it's Christmas time. So that's what I'm bringing to you guys. And I hope you enjoy it. I really hope you love it. And I don't know, I really hope you're excited as much as I am. I don't know why. I'm so excited and pumped about it. So leave me a comment below, thumbs up this video if you're excited as well, because your girl is excited. You can hear it in my voice. And I have to tell you that I came up with so many nail designs and I cannot wait to share it with you. Anyways, I'm gonna go now and prepare more videos, but I hope you have a great day and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!